Hello everyone, my name is Nadine. I am the owner of NG Platinum Homes, and today is going to be another video about my travel and decor series. And in this series, I am going to talk about the inspiration that I get from my travels to different countries. And these travels sometimes are for work, but sometimes for fun. But no matter what the circumstances, I always want to stay in an Airbnb to get the real inspiration of that country's architecture and design. So today we're going to be talking about Scandinavia and what those design elements look like and how you can incorporate those into your home. So let's get into it. Scandinavia is one of my absolute favorite places that I have visited. For instance, Sweden, Denmark, Norway, Finland. I have visited every area there. It's a very beautiful place, and I'm going to really get into detail about what kind of design and interior design that they have that you might want to incorporate into your home. So Scandinavian design is known for simplicity, functionality, and minimalism. So if you really want to incorporate some of these things into your home, here's some tips for you. The use of a neutral color palette is really popular in Scandinavian design. Often features neutral colors like whites, grays, and beige, which is actually very popular here in the US right now too, but they really like to have a bright, airy space, and you can incorporate these colors into your home through your walls, furniture, and any other decor that you want to put into your home. The next thing is choose a natural material. Scandinavian design really emphasizes the use of natural materials in their home, such as wood, leather, and wool. They really like that natural and organic type of situation in their home. And you can add these materials into your home by using wooden furniture, leather chairs, or woolen rugs. And it's best to really keep it simple. So in Scandinavian design, it's all about simplicity. So avoiding clutter and keeping your space to a minimal, and the home decor is really minimum. So you really want to stick to functional pieces that you really enjoy and that serve a purpose to the room. So you don't really want to overdo it with any kind of decor. It's simplicity in the end that really brings that Scandinavian design to your home. And the other thing that you can do to incorporate Scandinavian design is adding greenery. So plants are a very important part of Scandinavian interior design. They bring the nature indoors basically, and they really love that. Adding a touch of freshness to the space by bringing the greenery in is a great option when you're looking into incorporating this into your home. You might want to consider adding some plants to your home, such as fiddle leaf fig, and I will insert a picture here if you don't know what that is, or a snake plant. These are very popular in Scandinavia. And the other thing is choosing statement lighting. They're very big on lighting. It's a very important part of Scandinavian design, and it really helps to create a warm and cozy atmosphere. So if you're looking for lighting, you might want to look at putting in more of a statement piece into your home, and it will serve basically as a focal point to the room, so that way when you walk in the room, that's what you see first. And with this, you can add large pendant lamps or statement piece floor lamp to, say, a living room or even a bedroom, and that will really make a great statement into your home. So by incorporating these elements into your American home, you can really create a Scandinavian-inspired space that is both functional and stylish. So I hope these few tips from my travels to Scandinavia helped you and you enjoyed this video. And I would say keep designing your life, and I will see you in the next one.